No, is excited?
Car ready?
Are you excited?
Here you go, make a basket. Make a basket. Put your token. Oh, there's a token.
Oh, Michael, Dion. Michael, put the token inside the... Thank you.
All right, come on in.
Oh, go inside.
What color card?
What color do you want?
Look, it's pink.
Blue. Oh, go with the blue.
Red.
Go to the blue. Blue. Oi, mommy gonna get inside too.
I'll stay out of the way. I'll get a shot.
And then
Close
it. And then close it.
Okay, smile
There you
over
go.
here.
There you go. Train.
Well, hi there. Welcome to the train.
Ah.
Yeah, you like the train, don't you? Yeah. I like the train.
Let's go.
We're gonna go. Are you ready? Let's go see some animals, shall we?
Animals.
What kind of sound does the train make?
What's the sound?
Choo choo, you bet.
Choo choo.
Smoke.
Hello there. Huh? Dili, anara ka.
Disrupted our whole routine.
Atngi lami, atngi. Naman ko'y dire, kamera. Wow! Oh, it's so bumpy. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, sit down, anak, sit down. Michael, sit down. Hello. That's another train in there. Wow. Wow. We're in the tunnel. There's animals. There's a lion over there. There is a lion. There is the lion. Bye-bye, lion. Hi, Dion. We are riding in the train, Dion. Wow. We are on the train. Say hi. Can you say hi? Hello. Looks fun? Yay! Animals! A tractor. Yes, see a tractor too. Hello, Dion. Hello. Hello, Michael. Hi, Dion.
Passenger car.
Yes, passenger car. Wow. Oh, it's turning around. Look at that. Turn around. There you go. It's so bumpy. It's so bumpy, Michael. What's that idea? A train. A train. Turn around. That's a chair. That's a window. That's a window, anak. Hello. Hello. There's a lion over there. There's a lion over there. Hello, tiger. Wow, we are in the tunnel. Wow, choo-choo. Ah, that's in the tunnel. That's another train over there. Tiger train. T is for train. go. We are done. Okay. Oh, we're done. Yeah. Michael! Michael, we're done.
There we
Thank you.
go. There we are.
To the right, anak. Close the door. Michael, right side. This way.
Yeah, that's right.
Over there on the door.
That's right.
Give me 5
Yes.
minutes fun. Thank you. Didn't you? Yes, you did have fun.
Have fun. It was so much fun.
Alright, give me 5. We had fun.
Oh, high five.
Yeah, that was a
Good
lot of fun.
job.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you
Yeah,
too.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wow,
Good
so
night,
much
Mama.
fun. Oh, come here, Tita. Oh, come
There
here.
you go.
Come here, Michael. We're done.
The train is fine. There, watch your fingers. Yep. You gonna help me? That's a boy. You help me.
Close
Oh,
the
you're a good
door.
help. You are
Bye,
a good
train.
help.
Yeah, that's train. Choo choo. Choo choo.
Bye to you.
Bye bye, choo choo.
Choo choo. Yeah, the train talked to you. Yeah, you had fun. Yeah.
Choo choo.
How is it? How's your ride?
Hi, he had so much fun. Oh, hello. Hello, train. He's gonna tell to Daddy
Yeah,
that he was
right.
riding a train. Tell Daddy how when we get home.
Do they want to ride again or not?
Huh?
Do you want them to ride again or not?
We don't have enough money.
Oh, well, here, I can do that.
Are you sure?
Just go around and come on in and hop on. We'll give them one last ride.
Oh, let's go one more ride. Turn around. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Let's go over there on the other side. Let's go on the other side.
Not train.
Inday pa, drive-on pa daw kami.
Oh, no.
Binigyan kaming token. Mag-ride daw kami one more time. Binigyan ako.
No more train.
Oh, binigyan nila kami.
No one.
Oh, another one daw. Wow, train! Another one. Wala ka. Gusto ka?
There you go. Come on.
There you go. Choose color. Color red. Color red naman this time.
Yeah.
Wow, color
Pick a good
red.
color.
Token.
Here, I'll take that. Thank you.
Thank you. Go inside.
There you go.
Ah, it's in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, go inside. Go
Jump
ride
in.
one more time. Yay. Oh, go inside. Go ride. There you go.
Here we go. I'll get this car open.
Yeah, I will. Are. Close it. Yay. Binigyan kami isa pa, guys. Binigyan kami, guys, isa pa. Libre. Na libre. Kasi parang nasayahan sila.
No train.
Binigyan kami isa pa. Libre na yun.
Videos.
Yay! It's so much fun.
Good afternoon. Welcome aboard our
Welcome aboard.
now. When we take our train ride, we have to know the rules. Rule number 1.
Rule number 1.
Please stay seated for your whole ride. Rule number 2.
Rule number 2.
Arms and hands inside the car. And rule number 3.
Michael, rule number 3.
Enjoy your ride today.
Enjoy your ride. Yay! There you go. We're gonna choo-choo. Choo-choo. There you go. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna go in the tunnel. Oh, ride a train. in there. Vilas Express. So bumpy. We are in the tunnel. Wow, tunnel. Wow. There's a lion. There's a tiger. Wow, what is that? Africa. Hello there, Michael. We're turning around. There you go, turn around. There you go, Michael. Yeah, and over there, there's a tunnel. Say hello, everybody. Picture. Hi. Hi. Para ako yung natuwa eh. Ako may nalingag maayo. There you go. Yay! All aboard. All done. Yay! All done. Yay!
Thanks for helping.
Thank you. Oh, go outside na. Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
Thank
Come here,
you.
Give me 5, little guy. Michael, give me 5.
Give me 5.
Oh, you
Good job. Oh, Dion.
Right this way again.
Dion, give 5.
Give me 5.
Give 5 to Tito. Over there, over there. Why, Dion?
Oh, there you
Good
go.
job.
All right, gang, this way. Michael,
Michael, come back
Michael,
here.
this way, bud.
This way.
This way.
Let's go now. You gonna close?
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
You're a good helper. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, come here, Michael. Good job. Michael had fun. Wow. Michael and Dion had so much fun. Mhm. Oh, sit down, sit down.